All right, folks, let's talk about something very important. It has to do with a data type. And as I've been saying since the beginning of the SQL uh, playlist, that understanding the data type is very, very important, not only as a uh, data analyst, but also while you're working in the background with databases and database management systems or even performing any sort of uh, data migration or modification using the SQL language, it's very important. It's vital for you to understand data types and how to really fit in a database management system, both as a raw form as well as when it's cleaned and how and when it's processed to be used, applied, and deployed for data analysis. So in this video, I'm going to briefly talk about how you can change a column data type using the alter command and in Postgres SQL syntax using pgadmin environment. So let's get to it. Again, I'm going to use the same table. This time the target of our practice will be GDP. And as you can see, uh, the data type for GDP is numeric, right? Which simply means a number data. So what we'd like to do here is we'd like to change the typology of GDP from numeric to a character. So let's see how we can do this. Since we're using the alter command, and remember again, alter commands or alter statements are used to add, delete, or modify columns in an existing table. They're also used to add and drop various constraints in an existing table. So while the use is very expensive, it's important to know specifically how to modify for deleting or adding or changing data type in this specific context. Let's go ahead and start with the alter command. The keyword is going to be alter, and then the name is going to be table because this time our target of alter is going to be a table. So the table that we're going to apply our data type alter modification to is the word indicator. So the name of the table. Subsequently, you're going to put alter, and then again you're going to put column because after the table, once we specify the table, we're going to specify what specifically are we looking at on that table. So it's going to be the column, right? And then the column, which column? The GDP. So we're going to say GDP. And once we write that, we're going to put type, which tells us to alter the GDP, column GDP, to a type. And then we're going to specify the variable character. Let's say we're going to put the maximum characters allowed, 25. So it's going to go from a numeric GDP data type, GDP being a numeric data type, to a character data type with 25 characters maximum to be allowed. Let's go ahead and run this. And there you go. The query returned successfully. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it. So there you go. As you can see, our data type just changed from uh, a numeric data type to character. So that's one of the ways to do it. Let's see, and the second example, we're going to not only change we're not going to change, oh, this is the second one, this is the first one I had open, so it's going to be this one. And the second one, we're going to keep the same data type, except that we're going to change the maximum allowed characters within this data type. So let's go ahead and do that. Same thing. Going to specify, say alter table or indicator, and then we're going to say alter column. And now this time we're going to specify the number of characters in in this particular column for GDP. So GDP, and then put type again. And then this time we're just going to keep the same type, except that now we're going to change 25 to, let's say, 250. And go ahead and run it. And let's just reopen the table. And bingo, it's now still character variable, a varying character, but the maximum characters is 250. I know the alter table statements or alter statements. Obviously, this is just a quick start for you. It's not it, but this video should give you lots of directions to actually get some stuff done, to allow you to get some stuff done, as well as you can start exploring things for yourself. As always, thank you for your watching.